Kanitha-inĩ ũmwe mwena wa Rongai Kajiado ya Rũgongo nĩkuo atongoria a ngathĩ itiganĩte thirikari-inĩ, atongoria a kanitha hamwe na mbeũ njĩthĩ magĩte na gĩikaro na muoroto arĩ wa kwarĩra mĩtaratara ya kũiga thayũ mwena ũyũ. Mũnini wa kamishona Kajiado ya Rũgongo Yusuf Mohamed nĩ ũmwe wa arĩa mararĩ gĩikaro-inĩ gĩkĩ.
Tunaweza kuungana na washikadau wote ili tuweze kuja na mikakati ya amani katika eneo la Kajiado North, na pengine tuwe ni Kajiado North ikuwe ni sub-county ambayo watu wanaweza kuiga Kenya nzima katika kuangazia amani.
Nĩ thĩinĩ wa mũcemanio ũyũ gũkũrĩkanĩte atĩ thĩna mũnene ũrĩa mbeũ njĩthĩ makoretwo marĩ naguo arĩ wa kwaga gũthikĩrĩrio, ndeto ĩrĩa irehaga kwaga kũiguana gatagatĩ-inĩ kao na atongoria.
Shida moja kubwa sana vijana wanalia ni kwamba wao hawasikizwi, na sisi pamoja na wafanyikazi wa umma wenzetu katika Kajiado North sub-county wote kutoka serikali kuu na kutoka serikali ya county tumeamua na tumejitolea kwamba sisi tutakuwa sikio la kusikiza vijana na kusikiza wale wote ambao wako na jambo la kusema.
Kwa kweli vijana sisi wenyewe tumetaka wazazi watusikize, tumetaka watu wa dini watusikize, tumetaka serikali tusikize, lakini mostly inafika mahali inakuwa ni kama sisi wenyewe hatuna kitu ya kuwaambia. Kama hatuna kitu ya kuambia na tunaambiwa sisi ndio kesho na kesho tunaona ishafika, basi tutasema lini?
I think that it's a good opportunity now to work with the government in a recognizable manner to call a spade for a spade. If there's any allegation that you have as a government official, please give us the truth, because we just want the truth.
Thutha wa mĩario ĩno, atongoria a kanitha nĩ meranĩire kũhunjia thayũ, ũrũmwe o hamwe na ũiguano, ta ũrĩa mũthikabu Daniel Kwesi aratarĩria.
And we are ready to go round and have convening meetings for dialogue between the government, between our youths, between our parents, and between even our professionals, everybody included. We want everybody to come on board. And we are ready to do that work of convening all stakeholders, all the organizations that are working for peace in our country, Kenya, that we can gather together and deal the matters national healing, peace and reconciliation in our country, Kenya.
Maya mothe arĩ meharĩrĩria ma mũthĩ wa gũkũngũĩra mũthĩ wa thayũ ũrĩa ũririkanagwo mweri-inĩ twerekeire wa kenda. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma Kajiado ya Rũgongo, ngetwo Wacuka wa Kĩarĩ.